Let's break it down. The updates for Arweave, AR, USDT, trading pair with my customer said, guys, this is a global chart of AR tokens since May 2020. And you remember when I posted a video here, I showed you we trade way over exit line and it's time to out. Not so many tokens pump it that much from, for example, $4 to almost 50. It was amazing gains for this cycle. And now I'm not sure we're gonna reach this level again this year. Maybe in the future, if the token will be still exist, yes, it's possible, but not now, because usually what I found in a chart like this one, we form 1, 2, 3, and after that we rebound to sweep this liquidity pool and drop it down, consolidate, and maybe repeat the history of the XRP. So after the 5-8 years, we hit the new all-time high. Is it possible to see something like this one? Yes, guys, we just work with possibilities. But also, to buy now or not, it's usually up to you. I skip this project. I have zero interest in it. We grab liquidity of November 2020. It's good on the Donald dump. This one, we hold the line now at $1.77, and sooner or later we will come back and test 50 EMA. Now it's $5. It's 100 EMA, $8.57 at current moment. All lines are dynamic, and the 200 it's 12.33. I would like to show the with indicator set more correct levels. Where we now monthly time frame, the gaps. Technically, this is a like a magnet going to be 12.59 monthly gap. So I think, yes, more than logical to see this level, I don't know, this year. If we count in percentage, guys, from the bottom here, from October to this year, it's going to be 855% gains. So it's more than good. Did you ever seen in the last I don't know, half year, some tokens with 800%. We not talk about the Arweave coin. I repeat again, my honest opinion about the Arweave. I shared it in the yesterday video. So highly recommend you go and check. Take profit. Indicator, guys, monthly, no data, weekly. Why it can be the good entry now for AR token? Because I guess, if I remember correctly, there's 100% tokens in circulatory supply. So no unlocks, nothing. The people believe in the fundamental and the use case of this project. I'm more about the just charts, just a speculation. So I totally don't care about the fundamental of any project. So why it's good? Because we traded way on the fundamental value. Here was a test below. We try and break the fundamental value of this token. It was like $8.29. Lines are dynamic. And now after the few months, it was in November 25. Now it's $4.63. So once again, of course, it's possible to drop even under the listing price, right? Yes, it's possible, but we take a risk or not. That's why, based on my experience, based on previous cycles, if we can call it, if the cycles ever exist, now it's a good entry because of seasonality. But be ready to fix the profit, I guess, by middle of the May, because the Donald Trump and CZ meeting will be, I don't remember exactly, 15 or 18 May this year. At least it's pre-planned. And after that, I think we will see one more up and crash the summer. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe there's going to be this DeFi summer again. So we will see. But it's not a mistake to fix the profit at 468. Take profit line, guys, now is 12.56. So, everything around 12.50. So it's a liquidity pool, it's a take profit line, it's a 100 AMA, it's a gap on the weekly time frame. So a lot of reasons why the market makers can't put the price at $12 or $12.50. Add alerts, so to take profit line, alerts here. You remember, come on. This one, take profit line, alert added. It's December 2025. And still active. That's why I wait the notification. The lines are dynamic. That's why I highly recommend you use the alerts, not just some specific levels. Take a look at ADZ direction, market move. Oh, ADZ I can't show you because it's a global chart, not from some exchange. Direction, it's accumulation zone. It's accumulation. Time to sell will be here. Also, I recommend you add alerts to these signals on the direction indicator. It works pretty good one all this time period. Accumulation, pump, time to sell. Accumulation, soon we will see the pump, and will be one more time signals to sell. That's why add alerts and wait. And now it's also the good reasons why it's good time to buy. This is a capitulation zone. Market smooth, it's good. Direction, no signals to sell. Money power, here money inflow was in February. Now nothing, but I will be not surprised if soon we will see the money inflow. Last time money in was here in August somewhere 3. Let's add alerts to the money inflow on the monthly. So if the history repeat, you know what's usually happen after that here. And usually when we see the order flow like this one, at least we bounce it to the 50% to close that order flow. Daily, guys, we not bounce so hard. You know, what I don't like, we not drop under the October low, but not all tokens dump it. So that's why to talk about a break of structure, we need to break the $4.20, this one. And after that, we can see the high price targets. Now this looks like the chart absolutely like a ICP. Rebounds, but ICP stop it here and AR drop it a little bit lower. So, and now on a daily, no entry. That's why if you would like to buy for the spot, I think it's okay zone to buy. I think for the spot. For the futures, of course, we need to wait to the setup. And the last indicator is trade on. Take profit from the sales, buy, sell, buy, buy. Take profit, buy, buy. Now no signals to sell on the daily yet. It's good. And weekly, guys, that's why I recommend you add alerts also for the take profit. This is one only reason why it's maybe a little bit early to invest in AR, because we didn't see the take profit sale. Add alert to trade on to buy and take profit. I added to yes, take profit and the buy. So I added 2 alerts. I'm waiting. Like conclusion, guys, spot, I think more than okay. But you have to be ready to see the drop, for example, I don't know, under the COVID, not a COVID dump, under the Donald Trump dump in October, under $1. So if you're ready to see, if you want to accumulate it for the long run, I think $1.70 is more than good. The plan. So $3.50, use raw initial deposit. Leave free tokens right to the moon. If we go to 0, your risk is 0, you lose nothing. Pretty good one. You're safe. And if we go to the moon, you're just making money, print the money from the air with the free tokens. Amazing strategy, I guess. So the target is 1250. I think we can see this year if everything will be okay with the altcoins. Guys, write please in a comment what you think about AR. If you'd like to trade with my customer care site and add the same alerts like I did in this video, just write me a DM. Don't forget your Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.